Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody! Thanks for joining me here at Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Birdo, who's a character from Mario. So to start drawing Birdo, I'm going to start with an eye. So I'm going to do a oval like that. And then I'm going to do a little curved line here. From that curved line, I'm going to do a few little flicks upward like that. Those are going to be little eyelashes. Next, I'm going to do a smaller oval inside, and then an even smaller one, and then one in the middle here. I'm going to color that middle one all dark. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to work on the shape of the face before I do the other eye. So right here, we're going to come out and we're slowly coming up a bit. All right, so now I'm going to do the other eye. So we can curve like that. And we're going to do this little line for the top of the eyelid. And then a few of those little eyelash flicks. And then the inside of the eye, so that oval, and then we're going to do the inside one and then a smaller dark one. Just going to thicken up this one too. All right, so now the next thing, I'm going to make a line coming down this way and curving, and then I'm going to bring it out here, and right here I'm going to do a curve and then come on up. All right, so far it looks pretty silly, but it's supposed to. She's kind of a silly character. Okay, so next thing, from the eyes right here, we're going to do a curve and right here and bring it to right here. Now we can work on the bow. So she's got a great big bow. So come on up and back down. Do a little bump right here, and then the other part of the bow. Come down, and then I'm going to come out this way a bit. And then there we go. Put a little curve here, a little curve right here, and the bow is done. Okay, so right now I'm just going to kind of shade in this part. I'm going to make it all dark, but I'm going to go over it later with a marker. All right, and Birdo has a few little spots on the side of her face, so I'm just making a few little circles there. And now, right here, we can come on down, a bit of a curve, and I'm going to do another little curve here. It's going to be the start of a leg, and then we can do 1, 2, 3 toes, and come on up, and then right here, I'm doing another little line. And right here, we're going to start with an arm coming on out. Right here, we're going to have the other line for the arm. And we can have a little thumb and little finger right here, and then bring this line up to the thumb. Now I'm going to do like a little line right here and another one right here. And right here we can come curve on out because we're going from the back to the tail. And come on in. And we're going to do another little leg right here, coming on down, and we'll do 1, 2, 3 toes, come on up, Okay, so right now we're gonna do a curve coming on down here, and then right here for the toes we're gonna do these little bumps. Another little bump, another one, and another one. So now we've got her little like toe claws. Now here on the back she's got like these little triangles going all the way there to the tail. All right, so now we're going to do another arm. We're going to bring a line down here and a little thumb right here, and then another little finger here, and then bring this line up, and we can have a little line here and here. And there we go. We've got Birdo all drawn, and now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, we are finished our drawing of Birdo. Thank you very much for drawing Birdo with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here for our next drawing. Okay, goodbye.